In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create numbered lists in Notion. Numbered lists are perfect when your ideas need a clear order, like step-by-step instructions, agendas, or priorities. I'll show you two reliable ways to create them so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best, whether you're brand new to Notion or just refining your setup. Let's start with the fastest method, a simple keyboard pattern. Click into an empty block or line in your Notion page. If you're not sure what that means, look for a fresh line with the faint empty placeholder, or press Enter to create a new one. Now type the number 1 followed by a period, so 1, and press the space bar. The moment you add that space, Notion recognizes it and converts the line into a numbered list automatically. Go ahead and type your first item. When you press Enter, Notion starts the next line for you with the number 2 already in place, and it will keep counting as you continue. If you don't see the list format appear, double check that you typed the space after the period and that the line was empty before you started. And if you make a mistake, a quick undo will take you back. Another easy option is to use the slash command, which is great if you prefer searching for blocks. On an empty line, type // followed by the word number. You'll see a small menu pop up with a list of block types. Choose Numbered List from that menu using your mouse or the arrow keys and Enter. Notion will switch the block into a numbered list immediately, so you can begin typing your first item right away. Just like before, pressing Enter adds the next line with the next number, so you can keep your thoughts flowing without stopping to format. Both approaches work across pages, toggles, and even inside database pages, and they're consistent on desktop and web. The keyboard pattern is ideal when you're moving quickly and don't want to take your hands off the keys. The slash command is helpful when you want a visual confirmation from the menu, or you use it to insert other block types as you build your page. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.